In this video, we are going to show you how to add an image banner in Shopify. Now, if you want to add an image banner to your store, for example, you deleted it accidentally, don't worry. It is very easy to return or to create. So, of course, you need to be signed in. And once you're logged into your admin dashboard, you want to look to your left-hand side and click on Online Store here, like so. It's going to bring you to this themes screen that you're seeing right now. And what we want to do is click on Edit Theme here. So, click Edit Theme. Now, this is where we can edit pretty much anything about our store. Now, by default, you're going to have an image banner here. But for example, you're starting everything from scratch and you don't have an image banner, but you have like a products page, so on and so forth. Usually, the old method is to hover your mouse until you see this, right? And click on Add Section to Template. Now, here, usually, the old method is you just type in image banner and nothing is showing anymore. But there is a way to do so. There's a way to do this. It's very simple. All you need to do is just hover your mouse here and highlight whatever it is where the image banner will be at, maybe on top or on the bottom of it. For this as you can see, this is our featured collection. You want to click on Ask for Changes, right? Click Ask for Changes. This is the AI side of things when it comes to customizing your Shopify store. All I need to do here is type in make an image or add an image banner on top of this element, right? And then press enter. It's now going to think. So this might take a minute, but it'll add an image banner once it's done. As you can see, it says making changes. There you go. Just be patient. There you go. As you can see, it just added the image banner on top of the product page, as you can see here, because I actually commanded it to, or prompted it, not commanded, prompted it to put it on top of this. Because usually if you just say add or create an image banner, it's just going to place it below this, and you don't want that. You want the image banner up front and center on top of your page when people go to your Shopify store. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.